Let us see how the OzoCheck Hemobank HB analyzer is to be used for estimation of hemoglobin and calculated hematocrit values. Please make sure that you have gone through the user manual supplied with the analyzer. Before you start, make sure that you have everything required to perform the test. You will need the OzoCheck Hemobank HB analyzer, OzoCheck Hemobank microcuvettes, lancets, the puncturer or lancing device. Along with OzoCheck Hemobank, you get power adapter and data cable inside the box. Ensure that the battery is fully charged, and if battery status indicator flashes red, that indicates that the battery is low capacity. Please plug in with power adapter into electric socket. Before jumping into the actual test, we need to prepare the puncture or lancing device. Unscrew and remove the puncturer's adjustable tip. Insert a lancet into the carrier and push it so that it is fully inserted. Twist off its protective cover to expose the lancet's needle tip. Put back the adjustable tip tightly. Next thing to do is to set the skin depth penetration level by rotating the top portion of adjustable tip depending on your skin type. 2 is for soft skin, while 4 for thick or callous skin. You may try different penetration levels to understand which one works best for you. Next, hold the puncturer's tip with one hand and pull the sliding mechanism with the other till you hear a click sound. Now, release the sliding mechanism and get ready for the actual test. Now hold the OzoCheck microcuvette canister. Open the lid and reveal microcuvette from the vial. Remember to close the lid immediately. Do not leave the lid open for even a few seconds more than required. Remove only one microcuvette and not multiple microcuvettes at one time. Microcuvettes exposed to air for a long time due to accidentally forgetting to close the lid properly can lead to wrong results. Ensure hand is warm and relaxed. Use of middle or ring finger is preferable. Do not use fingers with rings on. Disinfect and dry the fingertip. Gently massage the finger towards the tip to increase the blood flow. Puncture the side of the fingertip with a single-use lancet. Put light pressure towards the fingertip until a blood drop appears. Wipe the first 2 drops and draw a third drop big enough to completely fill the microcuvette. Touch the tip of microcuvette to the blood drop, allowing capillary action to fill the cuvette completely. Use a tissue paper to wipe off any excess sample on the microcuvette surface. If the microcuvette contains air bubbles or it cannot be completely filled, discard microcuvette and use a fresh one. Place the microcuvette on the microcuvette holder of the analyzer and push the holder into the analyzer to start the measurement. The analyzer will begin testing automatically, and HB results will be displayed in less than 3 seconds, with HCT value displayed on the screen. Remember, do not use microcuvette after date of expiry. While holding a microcuvette, make sure that your hands are completely dry and clean or not. Ensure there is a complete drop of blood sufficient for testing. Always refer the instruction to use manual. For more details on our products, visit www.ozonebio.com.